Hello, welcome to my store stories videos. Every Friday I talk about the weird stuff I had to deal with working at a grocery store. Um, and today I'll talk about in that situation. Um, it's October and fall, and um, I gotta say I love fall. Unfortunately, fall doesn't love me. The seasonal allergies can be kind of brutal for me. Um, Runny nose, clunked up eyes, sneezing, zombie mode, the whole 9 yards. I have discovered one of the best treatments is these little energy shots here. I'm not sponsored, and I'm not really sure the reasoning behind that. It's just they make the sneezing stop, so I always find myself buying more energy shots. Someone at work said it was something to do with B vitamins. Who knows? I don't question too much the things that work. One of the things that you're really highly encouraged to do when you're sneezing is to cover your face.
Well, you think?
You would be surprised. But a relatively new kind of idea when covering your face when you sneeze is to sneeze into your elbow so you're not, blowing boogers all over your hands.
Probably a good idea, especially since you are dealing with people's food.
And one night I was working as a cashier and I kind of felt a sneezing fit coming on, so I excused myself and started running over to the tissues that are sitting at the customer service desk, and didn't quite make it, so I started sneezing into my elbow. And the little old lady followed me from the register over to where I was sneezing, and she was rather upset at my actions, and she kept trying to get in front of me. I don't know if it's proper or not, but I don't like sneezing at people. I always try to try to turn my back to them when I'm sneezing, so I'm not. She kept trying to get in front of me. I was trying to turn away to sneeze, and well, eventually I stopped sneezing, of course, and she announces to me that she will never shop here again. And she's been shopping here for decades, but never again will she ever come back to this store because she's a true Christian.
What does her faith have to do with shopping at a grocery store?
And that's what I kind of ask her. What does this store have to do with being a Christian? And she told me that she will not tolerate shopping at a store where someone is doing satanic salutes.
Did she mean dabbing?
Never thought I'd do that on camera. But I am fairly certain that this has nothing to do with Satan or Christianity or any kind of religion at all. I don't think that would have gone over well. I baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost.
And there, someone offended.
Oh, please, someone was offended by the title. But anyway, as I was writing the script out for this video, I kind of saw several tangents that I can make this video into. Each one deserves their own videos to talk about. But I think I'll go ahead and cut off around there. Every Friday I'm going to talk about the weird stuff I've had to deal with working at a grocery store, resulting from little old ladies offended I don't sneeze on them, to just the weird random stuff I had to deal with working at a grocery store. So like, favorite, subscribe, and follow me every Friday for the weird stuff working at the grocery store.